The Australian cattle dog holds an incredible record for the oldest dog ever, with one reaching the impressive age of 29 years. Dogs aren't just long-lived companions. They're also incredibly perceptive. They can recognize human faces and even read our emotions, showing just how closely connected they are to us. Historically, dogs like the Lhasa Apso have served unique roles. This small but fierce breed was once a guard dog in Tibetan monasteries. These facts remind us just how amazing and diverse our loyal friends are, both in history and in how they relate to us today.